Hi! In front of me is CUBOT tablet Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, just go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. Now from this app you can learn all the information about your tablet's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!